Used to sad short life way down in a hole. 12 tons of coal on a big iron sled. I work all day for a cold hard bed. Now heaven knows where heaven lies. There ain't no gold in a Tennessee mine. And trees, my daughter's voice, that mountain home. But when I wake, I'm all alone. 12 tons of gold on a big iron sled. I work all day for a cold hard bed. Now heaven knows where heaven lies. There ain't no gold in a Tennessee mine. Company man, he wants my soul. It ain't enough, everything I owe. Now when I die, my grave they'll fill with the Tennessee miner from the Georgia hills. 12 tons of gold on a big iron sled. I work all day for a cold hard bed. Now heaven knows where heaven lies. There ain't no gold in a Tennessee mine. There ain't no gold in a Tennessee mine.
Dig deeper in the coal mine, deeper in the ground. Keep your mouth sealed shut and your head hanging low. Listen to the sound of the working class breaking its back. Well, the preacher's always screaming that your mansion's in the sky. That's good for the saints, but not a working guy. Stand up hand in hand for Union Town. Oh, fire rages on, we all stand as one. Company men burn Union Town. Where the bosses at the top say dig a little deeper, 'cause the mansions on the hill need to get a little bigger. Squeeze every penny they can from the sweat of your brow. 5 weeks long the work is so strong, but the boss man said today is the day that the company man burns Union Town. Throw down your shovels and throw down your picks. Are you really making money if your kid's still sick? It doesn't matter where you are, this is your hometown. Every man in every town, we can all light a fire that can't burn down. Take down the company men that rapes your town. We all stand as one. Oh, the day that Union Town for the company company man. Tear that Union Town, burn the company man.
When I was a little girl, just about 21, my mom says if you get a man, you better get a gun, cause he'll do you good and treat you right till the day that you are wed. Then he'll stay drunk and gone all night and beat you till you're dead. You better learn business end of that barrel. Learn which way to point that gun. Learn the business end of that barrel. There's gonna come a time you can run. One time my daddy says to me, son, when you're a man, there's gonna come a time when you have to take a stand. Yeah, you should never pick a fight, and neither shouldn't you run. Be sure you know you're in the right, because killing ain't no fun. You better learn business and love that barrel. Learn which way to point that gun. Learn the business and love that barrel. There's gonna come a time you can run. Sam has got us all back against the wall. If we're gonna keep our freedom, we're gonna have to stand up tall. Cause money is the only law that's left here in our home. Get up and join us now, y'all, and we'll take back our own. You better learn business end of that barrel. Learn which way to point that gun. Learn business end of that barrel. There's gonna come a time you can run. Yeah, you better learn business end of that barrel. Learn which way to point that gun. Learn business end of that barrel. There's gonna come a time when you can run.
We're driving from town to town, singing these same old protest songs, night after night, for a rowdy punk rock crowd. They lift up their hands and scream when we sing power to the poor, and we open the door to the world with our fists raised high. We're gonna fight, 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 fight until we die. We're gonna fight, 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 fight until we die. We're gonna fight, 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 fight until we die tonight. We hang out after the show, drinking beers and talking trash. Up with the poor, down with the man, our Uncle Sam. We leave the bar at night, we see the same lie after lie. Buy here, save here, live less. We're gonna fight, 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 fight until we die.